Hi, hello, 𝙬𝙧𝙗𝗶𝗹 here. We create excellent presentations. Please remember to like and share this video and subscribe our valuable channel. You can also follow our social media. In this video, I will teach you how to use shadow and how to modify shadow in PowerPoint. Alright, so let's get into it. As usual, we have to get rid of these two default text boxes, so right click, layout, and just choose blank layout. Perfectly. So now we have to insert any shape. In my case, it will be just a perfect oval. And let's say we would like to align it to the middle, so align center and align middle. Perfectly. And we need to get rid of this outline. No outline. It maybe change the color for this kind of blue. Alright, so just right click on this shape and go to the format shape. And as you can see, this new window pop up. So you have to go here, so go to the effects, and here you have a shadow. Alright, so here you have presets, of course presets that are ready to use for you, created by PowerPoint programmers, but actually I don't recommend them because you can set everything manually. Of course you have outer shadows, so let's preview it. Let's click it. As you can see, this is a shadow right here, but a really interesting one effect is inner shadow. So let's preview it. Yeah, it looks really cool, like this oval is behind this the whole slide, right? Yeah, so it looks really cool and interesting. And the last preset is perspective, so let's maybe click it. Yeah, these are just perspective shadows, right? Alright, but we don't want to use presets, so just choose no shadow. Alright, so the first thing is color. You have to just select the color of your shadow. So maybe this will be just a dark black. Alright. And now these options, you can change them. So transparency is how really transparent your color will be. So 0%, as you can see, this black is something like that. But if you set it to 100%, it will be not visible, right? So you can modify it as you wish. Let's choose maybe 50. Alright. The next thing is size. Just size of your shadow, so you can also modify it. Let's make it maybe 150%. The next thing is blur. How really your shadow will be blurred. So as you can see, if I set it to 0, it's really crisp. But if I set it to, for example, 67, it's really blurred, right? So let's choose 30. Alright. The next thing is angle. So also you can modify angle. I will show you how does it work. So as you can see, if I modify angle, this shadow also modifies, right? I mean, the angle of this shadow modifies. And the last thing is distance between the shadow and this shape. So yeah, you can also modify it. And yeah, maybe let's choose the color, the fill color of this oval to just white. So use eyedropper. And maybe, yeah, let's create a copy of that. So the first one will be distance 0. Angle, it doesn't make a difference if distance is set to 0, so yeah, let's set it to 0. Blur maybe 30. Size, let's set 100%. And maybe choose this gray. And transparency, maybe something like that. As you can see, it looks really good. And yeah, like I said to you before, the only cool preset are these inner shadows. So let's preview it. Yeah, so as you can see here in this first case, we have just a normal outer shadow, but here we have inner shadow. So yeah, it looks really interesting. Alright, that was everything about shadow in PowerPoint. Of course, you can add shadow to images, objects, shapes, text boxes, everything you wish. So yeah, please subscribe to our channel, give us likes below, have a great day, and lead a happy life. Excellent slides.